friends, Jacob here. Hope you're having a good day so far. I've got the SpaceAid Wooden Bowl. This thing is beautiful. It actually matches our butcher block countertops that really need to be re-oiled, but it is beautiful. It fits perfectly into the KitchenAid tilt head that we have here. And honestly, it really is good for some things, but not for other things. For example, eggs, if you're trying to do like a whipped egg for angel food cake or something, this bowl kind of has some oils that can prevent peaking on the egg whites. So for some things, this may not be the best. It is very aesthetic, obviously, when it's just sitting there on the counter. Here's what it looks like with this down, so you can see that. And the KitchenAid itself is the Juniper tilt head KitchenAid. This is the stainless steel mixing bowl, and it works just like the stainless steel mixing bowl, except this one is actually slightly bigger. I would say maybe it's about the same size. Let's actually put them next to each other. Let me take this one off. And yeah, I feel like they're the same size. Yeah, so it's literally the stainless steel bowl, but wooden. And yeah, you don't want to put this in the dishwasher. You want to hand wash. There's what the inside actually looks like. Beautiful details. Bottom has a metal actual latching plate to lock in. It locks in no problem. Fits really well. And yeah, it's just beautiful. But one of the downsides of this is that whenever we get this dirty, we have to end up cleaning it by hand instead of dishwashing. But overall, hopefully this answers some questions that you had and you enjoy this as much as we do. We've really loved how it looks and how it performs in the kitchen. So have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys in the next one.